In the rapidly evolving automotive industry, wire harnesses are the nervous system of vehicles, and ETOP is a leader in this field. With over 20 years of industry experience, ETOP specializes in providing customized, automotive wire harness and cable assembly solutions for global clients. From design to production, we tailor every step to ensure high performance and fast delivery. Whether it's complex wire harness design or strict compatibility requirements, ETOP delivers with professional one-stop services. Contact ETOP today for your custom solution. Visit our website to learn more: www.etopwh.com.